Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy, healthy and nutritious recipe ideal for dinner or for lunch in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating my kadai with 1 tablespoon of wood pressed coconut oil. Now instead of wood pressed coconut oil, you can use A2 desi ghee. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1/3 teaspoon jeera, half teaspoon mustard seeds. And once the mustard seeds and jeera splutter, add in 1 teaspoon kadala parippu, also known as bengal gram, 1 teaspoon urad dal. Reduce the flame to the lowest and lightly roast the urad dal and bengal gram. Once the urad dal has started to turn light golden brown in color and is roasted, add in 3 tablespoons raw peanuts and lightly roast the peanuts along with the other ingredients on low flame. Once the peanut starts to crackle and is lightly roasted, add in 2 tablespoons roasted chana dal. Give this a stir. Roasted chana dal is also known as pottu kadala in Malayalam. Add in some fresh curry leaves. I'm tearing the curry leaves and adding in so that the flavors are released. 2 to 3 green chilies slit, 3 to 4 whole red chilies, and give this all a good mix. 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed. Half teaspoon turmeric powder and give it all a good mix. Add in 1 cup grated cucumber. Cover and allow it to get lightly cooked. Couple of minutes later, open the lid, give it a good stir. To make it more healthy and nutrient dense, I'm adding in 3 to 4 sprigs of fresh moringa leaves. I'm tearing the moringa leaves and adding it in. Moringa is a good source of protein, fiber, antioxidants. Moringa is also known as nature's multivitamin. If you don't have fresh moringa leaves at hand, you can always use organic moringa powder instead. Give this a good stir. And as you can see, almost immediately the moringa leaves wilted. Another good option will be to add in any green leafy vegetables of your choice. Into this, I'm adding in 1.5 cups cooked rice. Here I'm using a traditional variety of rice known as thuyamalli rice, which is rich in B vitamins. However, you can use any variety of cooked rice you have at hand. Along with this, I'm adding in 1/4 cup coconut, freshly grated coconut. Give this all a good mix. Once everything is nicely mixed, turn off the flame and I'm squeezing in half a lemon. Give it a good stir. And my super healthy cucumber rice is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy cucumber rice and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.